How are you all guys? I hope you all are well. Today in this video I am going to tell you complete process of Python 3 installation in your computer. Okay, if you want to learn Python, if you want to start code with Python, you need to install Python language. So in this video I will completely step by step guide you that how you can easily and successfully install Python in your operating system, even you have Windows, Mac or Linux. Okay, so without any wait, let's do it. So here is I have opened google.com, and here you have to type in python.org. So this is the main interface of the website of official Python website. Okay, here you can find even by searching in Google. Okay, if I simply type in here only Python, so here you will see python.org. Okay, www.python.org. The first result in Google is coming here. You can simply type in here and even come to here in this website. Okay, and so this is the main interface of the website. Okay, let me give you an overview of the total website. Okay, this is the website. So we have to download Python. So just hover over on the downloads option, and here you will see all the options like all releases, source codes, Windows, Mac. Okay, so suppose we have to download it for Windows, then we will click on Windows. Okay, and here are all the Python releases for Windows operating system. Okay, so we don't need to go with the older versions. So we will select find here from Python latest, find from here Python latest version. Okay, uh, stable releases. Okay, download Windows package 32-bit. Okay, Python 3.9. okay, this is the latest version of the Python. Okay, so here if your Windows is 32-bit, then you can download 32-bit package, and if your Windows is 64-bit, then you can download for 64-bit. And how you would know that your operating system is 32-bit or 34-bit? To check this, simply click on your right click on your this PC or computer icon. Then after that, go to properties. After coming in properties, here you can find 64-bit operating system. Okay, my operating system is 64-bit. If yours is 32-bit, then you can check it from here. Okay, no problem, you can confirm it. It is if you will confirm it, then it will then your time will not be wasted. Okay, here click on 64-bit operating system, and here it has started downloading. Okay, let me open a new download tab. Okay, okay, here it is. It has downloaded. So what I have to do is I have to cut it. Okay, cut, and then I will go to C drive. Okay, I will create you can I'm just simply moving it to some other folder. If you don't want to move it, you can even also paste it here, no problem. Paste it anywhere, no problem. Okay, Oh, actually, I had already a folder named Python in C drive. Remember, I have already installed this. Okay, so I will simply just name this folder random name. Okay, so I will paste in here the file, the zip file. Okay, so whenever we have a zip file, okay, so we must have to extract it. Okay, we must have to open it. Okay, so just right click on the file and click on extract here. Okay, now here is the Python extracted. Okay, so this is your Python file or .exe file or software that we need to double click on it, and we have to install it. Okay, so we actually don't need to do anything. Okay, this is Python console. Okay, let me show you all the files. Okay, okay, if we click on Python cat, this is the GUI interface of the Python. Okay, so this is Python console. Okay, like if we perform any task like 3 plus 50, if we hit on enter, 53 the answer. Okay, amazing, beautiful, perfect. Okay, so here it was how to install Python. So you can understand this is not an installation like we have just opened search console on Python. Okay, no, this is not search console. This is a Python console or IDLE, Python idle, or a platform where we can type Python. Okay, so in the next video I will tell you how you can add this Python zip file or add this Python to your Python IDLE. Like suppose if we download PyCharm, so I will teach you how you can how we can integrate or how we can add this Python into the PyCharm. Okay, so I hope you had liked the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and comment down below. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.